Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of hair with a focus on the Amella Hair 8-inch Upart Bob Wig. If you're looking for the best Upart Bob Wig on the market, you've come to the right place. Let's explore why this wig stands out from the rest. The Amella Hair 8-inch Upart Bob Wig is a game-changer for anyone wanting to enhance their look effortlessly. Made from 10A-grade Brazilian Remy human hair, this wig offers exceptional quality and versatility. It comes in a natural black color that can be dyed and bleached to suit your style preferences. Crafted from premium human hair, it boasts a soft and healthy texture with no shedding or tangling. Plus, it's free from any unpleasant odors, ensuring a comfortable wear. Unlike traditional lace front wigs, the Upart design of this wig is glue-less and skin-friendly. It's designed to blend seamlessly with your natural hairline, giving you a realistic look without the hassle of lace. With its Upart cap featuring 4 clips, this wig is easy to secure and adjust. The medium-sized cap fits most head sizes and can be tightened or loosened for a perfect fit. Whether you prefer a sleek modern style or want to add your own flair with curls or waves, this wig allows for various styling possibilities. It's a great choice for everyday wear or special occasions. If you're new to wigs, the Upart design of this wig makes it incredibly beginner-friendly. You can achieve a fuller hair look in just minutes, blending seamlessly with your own hair. The 150% density adds volume and body without looking bulky, giving you a natural and elegant appearance. In conclusion, the Amella Hair 8-inch Upart Bob Wig is a standout option in the world of Upart wigs. Its high-quality material, ease of use, and natural appearance make it a top choice for anyone looking to enhance their hairstyle effortlessly. That wraps up our review of the Amella Hair Upart Bob Wig. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. Let us know in the comments below what other products you'd like us to review next on Product Critique. Until next time, stay stylish.